My slogan is we'll build you a plate washer or we'll build you a high-rise. We take every job is just as important if it's a $20 item or a $10 million job. We do anything from hospital work, offices, military. I was a guy that was kind of afraid of technology. I was afraid of computers. I was working before we even had fax machines. So I've seen it come through time, and I realized that if we're going to be competitive in the new world, that other people are automating robots, robotic equipment, CNC equipment, that we had to. I love seeing advancement. I have no intentions of retiring now because my kids are in it. I said it's a no-brainer. If we're going to be in this industry, we got to automate. And we got to buy the best equipment we can with the best track record and the best testimonials from other people that have had this equipment. And that's why we went with the Python and the FineLine. At this new shop, we're 100% Lincoln. Our welders, our plasmas, our PythonX with the FineLine plasma. Our new plate table, we got the FineLine plasma on it also because I wanted consumables to be interchangeable. I didn't want to have two or different parts. We're going to go with one company, and you can walk through my shop and there's probably 20 Lincoln welders in there. Our plate table and our PythonX FineLine Lincoln equipment.
So it's made things more efficient for us. This process takes a long time no matter how good you are, how fast you are, and I got really good at it and fast at it, but there's no keeping up with a machine that can do all that for you.
It's decreased production time. Our accuracy on holes and length and all aspects of processing is far better than doing all the layout by hand.
We have increased our production and our sales by about $7 million just last year because of the Python. So now it's opened up a lot of opportunities for us that we're not afraid to delve into. We've had it running over a year now. We know what it can do, we know how much we can run through it, and we try to keep it running 40 to 50 hours a week. And it's broadened your horizon. You can do more. You can look at the bigger work that we would have passed up before.
Now we can keep up with competition. So we just got to there's always room to grow and get better, but this is helping us along. I think repetitive stuff is really where this is at. And then you run the other 100, 200 parts, and it repeats really, really well.
If it's right the first time, it's right every time. And it's accurate more than 99% of the time.
Benefit is production, really. I mean, you're working with almost perfect product. You know, it's going to be per the model. So if it works in the model, it's going to work in the shop.
The torch on the FineLine could get closer into the K on the beams, that the precision cut was very good, and they already had a lot of ISO reports done on their quality where the FineLine had taken a step further.
So we can get into tighter spots with the FineLine versus the other brands. Cut quality I found is as good or better than some of the competitors. Consumable life is better than what we've had in the past. It's a game changer. I don't know how else to put it. It's changed everything for us on on what we process, how we process, the speed it comes through, the quality that comes out. Our fit up is excellent now. It takes the guesswork out of it.
The automation will take you to the next level. And if you're looking for that customer base and to compete with companies around you, which you got to stay competitive to stay in business. So it's the next step.
The PythonX has become a game changer for Parsons Steel, and it has increased our volume and made us be able to play in a bigger world with bigger companies, and it's made our company better.